want to do a quick video on putting a rear wiper on for a 07 Murano. A lot of times with your SUVs, you just pull the wiper up. The Nissans, you've actually got a bit of a stopper there that keeps you from pulling, fully extending the wiper. What you got to do is actually reach on the inside and kind of pull the cover off of the bolt, and that'll actually allow you to get to the 10mm nut there. You can loosen that, just pull the whole assembly off, and it's a lot easier to get to at that point. You can go ahead and change your wiper blade without any issue. So again, it's a little bit different than some of the SUVs out there. So I've actually done this one already, just kind of wanted to do the quick how-to. Not much to it, and that's it. Just clicks back into place and you're off and ready to go.